Assalamualaikum class. Today I'm going to teach you gerunds and participles. Basically, gerunds and participles, they are formed from first form of verb. They are formed from first form of verb. When we add ing with the first form of verb, they become gerund or and participle. Now, how can we differentiate whether it is a gerund or a participle? Let's see. Let me give you an example. For example, break. B-R-E-A-K. Break is the first form of verb. When we add ing with it, it becomes break. Now, this breaking can be used as gerund as well as it can be used as participle. Now, how will we decide whether it is a gerund and participle? Let me explain the definition of gerund. Gerunds actually, they act as a noun in the sentence. Gerunds act as a noun in the sentence, and participles, they perform two functions. They act as verb plus they act as an adjective. They perform two functions in the sentence. If they act as a noun, we will say these are gerunds. But if first form of verb with ing acts as a verb or as an adjective, we will say it is a participle. Let me explain you with the help of example. Remember one more thing, activities are also considered as gerund. Like if I say, example, oxygen is consumed in burning. Oxygen is consumed in burning. Then I am saying, I saw a burning house. I saw a burning house. And I can say, the burnt toast should be thrown out. The burnt toast should be thrown out. Now try to understand. Oxygen is consumed being used. Oxygen is consumed in burning. Here burning is an activity. So we will say it is a noun. It is acting as a noun in this sentence. That's why we will say burning over here is gerund. In this case, it is gerund. Let's see this example. I saw a burning house. In this sentence, the house is a noun. House is noun. And what kind of house is this? Burning house. Here burning is explaining about the house. So it is acting as an adjective in this sentence. Here burning is acting as an adjective. I saw a burning house. So it means here if it acts as an adjective, we will say it is participle. I told you another function of this one as well. It can act as a verb also. The house was burning. The house was burning. Here in this sentence, although the word is same, but here it is acting as a verb. In this example, burning is acting as an adjective, and in this one, the house was burning. Here it is acting as a verb. So when it acts, first form of verb with ing, when it acts as a verb or as an adjective, we say it is a participle. But our participles can be present participle or past participle. If they are coming with ing form, then we say it is present participle. These are called present participle if they are coming with ing. But if fourth form of verb will be used, we say these are past participles. So participles can be present participle or past participle. Here you can see in this example that the burnt toast should be thrown out. Toast is noun over here, and again burnt, although it is the fourth form of verb, but it is being used as an adjective. So we will say it is also participle. So let's sum up all this. The first form of verb with ing, when it acts as a noun, we say it is gerund. And when first form of verb with ing, if it acts as a verb,